Quick bike check since I've been on YouTube in a while. This is my Urban 10 by Orbea. This is my motorcycle, my KPM 200. It's by Lifan. My Hyper Jet Fuel, which I rebranded as Blacklisted because everybody had such a fit over this bike being a Walmart bike. And then here's my little Jetson e-bike. My most recent purchase, which is a Siskiyou D5 by Polygon. And then Old Faithful, my Raleigh to Cool 3, which is still my favorite bike. Nothing rides better. All these bikes, this one rides the best. Don't know why. It's the most comfortable too. This one feels cramped even though it's a medium and I should be riding a small. I still feel cramped.